I apologize in advance for my almost certainly worse audio. I am using a Rode wireless microphone instead of my normal XLR microphone, and the air conditioner is on. So, but that goes hand in hand, I think, with the theme of today's video, which is just going to be fucking around. That's right, we're going to fuck around with Nix. That's all we're going to do. I am just kind of fascinated with this, and I found this command which opens up the docs. And the docs have really interesting, I mean, I had read them before online, but you know, it just tickled my memory about, you know, what some of the things you could do on here. So the first thing I wanted to try was to try some of the rollback stuff. So currently what you can do is, let me make sure is my OBS working? I think so. I think it's working. I guess we'll find out. So what you can do is, if you make a mistake or you produce a build that doesn't work somehow, you can roll back to an older version. And the way you do that is by, so I'm gonna do this. I have this alias called ednix, which edits my configuration.nix file. And let's say I want to, I don't know, so let's just make any old change. Let's remove LibreOffice. I'll remove FFmpeg. So right now, if I run FFmpeg, it's there, which, okay, where is it actually? Okay, so that is the right package. So now if I run, so inside of here we have these nixos commands that something like nixos-rebuild is the most commonly used one. And we can see, I'll make this bigger so it's not tiny on your screen. All right. So we have the normal stuff, which is nixos-rebuild switch, dry build, dry activate. Okay, so nestled in amongst these switches is this rollback switch, which I think, so I'm just gonna do sudo nixos-rebuild switch, which should get, since we edited our this upgrade thing that is Z shell recommending upgrade. It will not upgrade when I press enter here. Remember that I deleted the FFmpeg package from the list of system packages. So do that. Oh, I also did some other stuff, which apparently let's see. Permit root login equals no. False. Duh. Okay. No. Actually, I know why I did that. That's because that's the OpenSSH spelling. Okay. Okay. So I have some other changes mixed in with the removal of FFmpeg, but I just wanted to see if we. Is that one yes without password? What? Oh, okay. It needs to be a permit. It's a string. Okay. That's actually no. Oh, that's something else. Okay. All right. What? Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. console. I think I already, yeah, sorry folks, I've key map, console key map. Really? I uncommented this. I don't know why. But we're going to recomment it again and run switch. And let's see, SSH dconf validated dbus user. Okay. Cool. Okay. All right. Now it switched, and just for sanity's sake, I'm going to open a new terminal, because often terminals get messed up with or often, I guess it's the shell gets confused about which binaries are on the path even after a switch. So I'm just going to open a new shell just to get rid of all that. We're going to see. Do I have FFmpeg in it? No, I do not. No, no, I don't. Okay. So now, if I do nixos-rebuild, and I'm not sure. I mean, does this make sense? Switch rollback? Does that make sense? Okay. All right. Now, I rolled back from profile version 14 to 13. Now, what does that mean? What does that actually mean? I know that there's a Nix profile in here that is... I really don't know what that means. Read me? Oh, God. No, I don't want that. Oh, maybe it's a bad... Next profile. Share. I honestly don't know what this means. So I'm going to ignore that for now. But it rolled back. Now do I have FFmpeg on my path? I do. That's pretty cool, man. So that's how you roll back to an earlier version. And I guess, I suppose that if you rebooted and your system didn't work, you just go into a console and roll back to the last version, working version of the stuff. And I don't know if there's a way to pin a... I'm sure there is a way to pin a version. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay, so that's fun. I'm just going to switch back. I think this is the way I switch back. If I just do nixos-rebuild switch with the current file, I assume that it goes from 13 to 14 again. Can I get a listing of the profiles? NixOS. What if I go into here? Is there anything about profiles? Anything. Oh, okay. You can make your... Okay, cool. So you can change the configuration. Okay. Whenever you're saying is a nixos-rebuild switch. Okay. All right. Rebuild test. Boot. Okay, cool. So you can give it a name. Switch P test. Okay. build a configuration, nothing more. You could test a new configuration in a sandbox. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. It's insane. What? Okay, let's try that. What? Nixos build, rebuild, build VM. What? Nixos rebuild. Sudo nixos rebuild build VM. What? Oh, this is madness. It's madness. I'll build a container for you. Is it a? No, it's not even a container. It's a VM. That is madness. The VM does not have any data from your host system. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell? Set mutable users equals false. Okay, that is craziness. I'm sure this isn't going to help me at all because I didn't read far enough into here, so I'm not going to be able to log into the VM. But let's just see what happens when I run it. That's crazy. Okay, a bit of a denouement. Cannot create symlink. Home, Chris, and result already exists. Did I do this before? I don't think so. I have no idea. What does it tell me to do? Bin run something VM. Well, how do I clean up the VM? Hostname qcat2 file. Well. Ugh. Build VM. Okay. What does it say to do? I'm just going to run whatever's there. It didn't work, but bin run. No. Okay. So I don't know. Let's Google, shall we? What does it say? This is terrible error message to Google for. I don't know. I don't know what the story is here. What is result here? Result system 11 link. Okay, so nix var nix profiles. Per user. Maybe this is home manager, yeah. Okay. So I suppose this is all the profiles that that are stored. So let's just I have absolutely no idea how any of this stuff works, and I am just poking it like a gorilla from outside. So let me edit the next configuration file again. I'm going to bail on the VM thing, just a curiosity anyway. And we'll say, we'll make a change, and we'll say, we'll re-add our FFmpeg back in. How's that? All right, and here I have, in our var nix profiles directory, I have System 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now if I do this actually just runs nixos-rebuild switch again. This is alias. I'll just show you my aliases. There it is. So, nix. So my prediction is that we'll have a system 15. Is that right? 15? Yeah, 15 after this. Okay. Do we? Oh, we do! Ha ha ha! I am like Sherlock Holmes. Okay. So I assume that, you know, when so result system 11 link. That is very strange. So result is stuck on system 11 links. I don't know where result came from. I don't know how that got there. It's preventing the build VM thing from working. I don't know if it's okay to delete it or what. But yeah, so that's how I presume that. Now I don't know how it manages what the current one is. GC roots DB profiles. Is there a current? System. System. Indeed, there's the current one. Okay, so now if I do this the rollback sudo, I think I have an alias for this. Do I have an alias for this? No. So I'll do sudo nixos-rebuild switch rollback, and my prediction is that that link will be switched to 14, system link. Okay. Oop, I need ls again. Yeah, that's exactly how it works. Now, what refers to that system link? Is there a way to get what refers to a sim link on the system? It's probably some LSOF thing, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, let's try to rescue this video. The only real rescue of this video is not releasing it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So after a bit of studying, I found out that the this result link in here, this one, is produced, I think, when you do a nixos-rebuild build, which let's just test that theory. So if I remove results, I think I can remove it from here because I own the directory. Let's see. I can. You can just remove it. It's built in the directory that you invoke. Nixos-rebuild in. So let's do a sudo nixos-rebuild build and see if we wind up with a result in here. Do we? We do. Oh wow, okay. Huh. Okay. So that's okay. I'll only remove result again. And if I just do a nixos-rebuild switch, does it make one? does not. Okay, so build mix1. I must have invoked some other nixos-rebuild command that was not switch. And it was boot. Boot? Was it boot? I don't think this is going to do it either, but nope. Okay, so I don't know exactly. It must have been build, I guess, but it looked like a very different directory it was pointing at in there. So anyway, but now I can do the VM thing. So let me go back to the NixOS docs here. All right, NixOS manual. All right, so let's see, build VM. Existing user accounts and home directories. Okay, so let's do that. Initial hash password. Okay. Okay. I am way in over my head here, but we're just gonna do this. Users. Initial hash password. Now, hash password it's not hashed. Why? I don't understand. Oh no. But we're gonna run sudo nixos-rebuild build VM. And I'm going to pause this because it'll take forever. But so now, if I run this here, what's going to happen? What is going to happen? I honestly have absolutely not a clue what would happen. Oh my God. Oh, that's insanity. Oh my God, that's insanity. That is super cool. Wow. Well, sort of. If I could, is it trying to start a? It's trying to start. Oh my God! It started KDE. Oh, Christ Almighty! Oh my God! That is mind-blowing, man. That's super cool. I don't know why that's so mind-blowing to me, because obviously, yeah, sure, why not? Why wouldn't it be able to do that? But to have it just do it, it's just out of the box, where you didn't have to faff around with anything, is the bee's knees. Can I log in? No, let's see. Can I log in with my normal password? No, let's see. Yeah, okay, so that initial hashed password is unnecessary. You can just use the initial password and it'll work. All right, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Is it actually gonna bring me up to like KDE? It seems unlikely, right? Yeah, well, I guess if it worked, it'd be cool. I wonder if I can. Okay. What is it doing? I mean, I'm trying to think of. Wow. Okay. So it's installed. My. It's craziness. It is crazy, man. So I'm trying to think of a practical application for that. I suppose that if you are developing a repeatable build system for something, I guess it's just really slow. I guess it's really slow. I wonder if I switch back to the other view, if it'll be there. Huh. I wonder why it's so slow. Usually VMs are not that slow on this machine. 0, 0. Well, it's, I mean, certainly I am in a VM. It is not, I am not in my normal machine. I'm in a completely new VM that is just from scratch. That is crazy. So I guess you could just see what it looks like when you build it from scratch. I mean, that's basically, you know, if you want to see what it looks like when you build it from scratch, just start in a VM, and then you just don't have to do it on a regular machine. Super cool. Oh, that is strange. Okay, I am tickled pink by this feature. This is fantastic. All right, well, I'm sorry this video is very disjointed, but I had fun.